AI-generated art is becoming increasingly popular these days. The possibilities with these new art generators are incredible, and you can use these AI art generators to establish a monthly passive income stream that stretches into the high five figures range. In fact, we found a way to turn this into not just one, but 5 passive income sources. And if you make use of this hack well, you can create an infinite AI passive income money loop. You are watching AI Money Magnets, the place where you learn how to make money using AI. Keep watching this video till the end because you don't want to miss out on any important detail. In recent times, digital art has seen a surge in demand on platforms such as Etsy, suggesting that any artwork you create has potential marketability. Furthermore, as AI-generated art continues its upward trend in popularity, a specific demand for AI-centric art has emerged. But you can also sell AI-generated art as regular digital art without anyone ever knowing. Whatever way you choose, if you find something that people are willing to buy, you can create an easy passive income stream for yourself in no time. Now, let's turn our attention to an Etsy store named Susan Fern Art. To delve deeper into the store's performance and identify its most profitable product, we'll use a tool named Allura. From our investigation, we see that the monthly revenue for this store averages around $6,000. Looking at the lifetime revenue, it totals an impressive $621,000. This clearly demonstrates that individuals are already amassing substantial earnings from the process we'll unravel today. The most lucrative product in this store is a 3-image wildflower print, which has generated $644 to date. Therefore, we'll aim to create something akin using AI. The AI tool of choice for this venture is Midjourney, an exceptionally potent AI art generator, widely regarded as one of the best image generators on the market. To gain access to Midjourney, you'll need to subscribe to their basic plan at $8. However, for more expansive access, you can opt for higher tier plans. Nonetheless, the basic plan suffices to kickstart your enterprise. However, if you're seeking a no-cost alternative, be sure to check out the video appearing in the top right corner. In this video, we take a comprehensive exploration into Leonardo AI, a compelling, free AI art generator. When you've accessed Midjourney, your next step will be providing a detailed prompt describing the kind of image you desire. Ensuring your prompt is explicit and comprehensive will result in images that align more closely with your vision. For our example, we'll use a prompt detailing a wildflower bundle, watercolor style, isolated on a completely white background. We'll also specify the image's aspect ratio in the prompt to guarantee the output fits our desired dimensions. Midjourney will then generate a selection of images for us to choose from, picking the one that we believe would be most appealing to potential buyers. Furthermore, the tool provides an option to upscale the image size or improve its resolution as per your requirements. Now that you're familiar with generating images via AI, we'll transition to the most fascinating part: profiting from your AI-created art. Notably, the image we just crafted has a similitude to the one we referenced on Etsy, yet has comfortable variation to differentiate it as a unique piece. This strategy enables you to discover well-performing images on Etsy or similar marketplaces and use them as inspiration for your own creations. Midjourney then assists in crafting your unique interpretation of these popular images. Importantly, it's estimated that these stores generate approximately 70 to 90% of their monthly revenue from just 20% of their product offerings. Your goal, then, should be generating a variety of images similar to these best-selling products and listing them in your own store. By doing so, you can boost your sales and significantly increase your earnings. Another profitable approach for monetizing your AI-generated art involves transforming them into physical products. Often, customers who purchase digital art tend to print it out for display or use. Instead of leaving this task to them, why not offer your designs printed on various items? This strategy could potentially provide an extra incentive for customers to purchase your art. Take, for example, the store Dustin Way, which rakes in approximately $37,000 monthly and has earned nearly $500,000 in total revenue just from selling framed artworks. Other Etsy stores also successfully generate substantial revenue by offering their art on various items, such as t-shirts, phone cases, mugs, and more. You might wonder, I don't have any products to start with, so how can I apply this? Thankfully, it's a straightforward process. You can leverage a print-on-demand platform like Printify to handle all the heavy lifting for you. Printify covers everything from printing your designs on products, packaging, to shipping, allowing you to earn income passively. To begin, navigate to the Printify website and create an account. Once done, choose a product on which to display your artwork. It could be as simple as selling framed prints of your art, or any product that you feel complements your art well. Conveniently, Printify can be seamlessly connected to your Etsy store, so whenever a customer purchases your product on Etsy, Printify automatically takes care of production and delivery. The third lucrative method to monetize your AI-generated art involves selling prompts. That's correct. Selling prompts can be a genuine income source. In AI art creation, prompts serve as the characteristic factor between a novice and a seasoned AI artist. Earlier in this video, we utilized a straightforward prompt to generate an image, but it's more nuanced than that. For example, a beginner in AI art creation might write a prompt such as a blue butterfly sitting on a rose, and would be content with whatever image the AI produces. However, a more experienced individual might craft a detailed prompt like a blue butterfly, wings spread wide open, perches in the center of a red rose speckled with dewdrops. The butterfly faces the camera, its antenna pointed skyward, set against a blurred backdrop imbued with a green tint. The outcome of this detailed prompt will be significantly more intricate and impressive than the former. Take for instance an Etsy store named Art Pint School, which sells AI prompts specifically for Midjourney. They offer at least 3 such products, priced between $4 and $20. Interestingly, these 3 AI prompt products generated $1,800 in revenue last month alone. Bear in mind that these products are merely PDF files and not the resultant images themselves. What might interest you here is that if you search for similar products like these on Etsy, they are a bit difficult to find, meaning that there is high demand and relatively low supply. So you can experiment with prompts until you find very good ones. Then you can list them on Etsy and start making some cool cash. The fourth strategy for monetizing AI art involves online courses. Once you've accrued considerable expertise in AI art generation, you can begin to market that knowledge. Given the rapid advancement of AI art, there's a substantial audience looking to learn how to utilize these AI art generators, which presents an excellent opportunity for side income. A fantastic aspect of this approach is that you don't have to author the course content yourself. You can employ ChatGPT to do this for you. Once your course is complete, platforms like Udemy or Teachable serve as excellent marketplaces for selling it. Moving on, let's examine the fifth strategy for generating income with AI art. Lately, AI headshots have become a trending topic on social media. As of now, various platforms are popping up that allow you to upload images of yourself or others from which the AI creates animated versions, or what we refer to as AI headshots. This innovative trend is being leveraged by numerous individuals to earn income. Let me show you a strategy you can leverage. A platform named Dreamwave AI enables you to generate 50 AI headshots for $29. ProfilePicture.ai is another site that offers a similar service. They offer 96 photos for $8 or 280 photos for $14.75. If you explore Etsy or Fiverr for AI headshots, you'll realize that there aren't many options available currently. However, if you look at social media platforms like Twitter, there's considerable discussion about AI headshots, indicating a high demand for this service. This presents an excellent opportunity for generating income. This may seem a little complicated at first, but bear with me, we're almost there. Let's consider this. If you were to use a platform like Dreamwave, you will only get 50 images for $29. So we'll take that idea and offer the same service on Fiverr, but instead of 50 headshots, we'll offer 96 headshots with ProfilePicture.ai, which is a lot more. When you receive an order, you can then use ProfilePicture.ai to generate those 96 images for just $8. This results in a net profit of $21 per order. Should you be successful in securing around 10 orders per day, you would be raking in an impressive $6,300 per month. Quite a lucrative prospect, isn't it? You could also experiment with different pricing models. For instance, you could offer 40 photos for $15 and provide a discounted package of 90 photos for $30. This sort of arbitrage strategy provides an easy way to make money by simply uploading the buyer's photos to the app and selling them back their AI headshots. This model takes advantage of the pricing differences between platforms, ultimately driving profit for your business. This is by far one of the easiest ways you can make money with AI art, because you don't even have to create these images yourself, as these AI platforms will do everything for you. And that concludes our video for today. We truly hope you found it insightful and have gained some new knowledge. Should you have any queries or comments, don't hesitate to post them in the comment section below. Furthermore, if you haven't done so already, like the video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our enlightening content. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.